Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a lovely 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul, and the bed utility package. We do get the nice bigger sized box on this vehicle, which is always handy for your cargo, and we do get the Pro Access Tailgate. Allows easier access to your bed. You got hooks and doodads, you got a little storage cubby there, your outlets, lights, all that jazz. Got measurements on the gate as well, and it's fully powered, so we'll go up and down automatically. Rear park sensing, tow hitch, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, side view camera. We got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, flat fold storage system with a carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, with a lovely split folding rear bench seat with cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat, powered passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, B&O sound system, tailgate, lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 20 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel, photography screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control, digital speedometer. We do get my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, navigation, audio, all that fun. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. You do get your center console here that does turn into an interior work surface. Perfect for work, meals, totally up to you. You do get your regular storage underneath. Drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate up front with heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt, 120 volt, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, auto stop auto start, and Ford's Blue Cruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We got your audio here as well with settings, navigation. We got a 360 view of the vehicle, pretty handy. Your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. We got your phone controls just right here, your navigation, search, recent, saved, zoom in and out, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB48084, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.